A few months ago, I reviewed the brand new ADO Air, which got kickstarted back then. An amazing new concept developed in-house by ADO in their very own labs called the ADO Lab, the folding e-bike revolution. The video did really well and you can find it right here. And here we have the successor called the ADO Air 20S Street Glide, with even more features like the newly added front fork suspension, which offers comfort for gravel roads, for example. It's of course also super portable, compact and easy to carry, lightning fast torque sensor, silent belt drive, smooth start, a huge battery for the form factor, up to 100 kilometers of range, and also a gorgeous display. By the way, for your information, when it gets to the naming classification, we have Air for the build concept, we have 20 for the wheel size, and we also have an amendment on the back, and the S stands for suspension. So the Air 20 is lighter and suitable for you if you're living in a flat area with great roads, no shocks and bumps, and if you're living in an area with a slightly bumpy terrain, uneven roads, small potholes, gravel roads, then definitely pick the A20S because it has the front suspension. It's definitely worth it even though it is slightly heavier. Got the new drip from ADO, the Air 20S Street Glide. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. It's small and light, so let's open it up. And of course, not to forget, this is the front. And we also have these details on the side. Nice carrying handles as well. So here we go. Mud guards on top. X-ray vision right there. We have the accessories. Settle down here, and the bike. Here we have it. So let me get rid of the box, and now let's get rid of all the protective wrap. So here we go, and before we can get to the setup, let's of course check out all the accessories. We will get 2 mud guards right on. Then we will get the saddle with the backlight already installed, so we just need to pull out the tab, and now it's active, on off. Of course with the Air battery concept charge port up here, and the battery port right there. Here of course all the specs of the battery. It's pretty powerful. Here with the gauge, with the insert heights and stuff, and of course this nice cap on the bottom. Really like the Air battery concept, it's amazing. And right here we have the on-off button, nicely accessible underneath the seat. With this screw down here, you can adjust the position of the saddle, move it forwards or backwards. Really nice. Included cushioning, and that's the top, nice and soft. Big area, and we will also get a pump. Definitely a nice touch. Free pump included. And then the box with the rest of the accessories. Nice assortment of accessories, so we will get a bag with all the needed tools, of course. We will get 2 pedals that can also fold, 2 folding pedals, cable for the power brick, and the brick itself, of course. We will also get a nice phone mount. This one up here, and here we have all the paperwork. So we have the app guide, backside right there, then the quick start guide, or rather quick install guide, multi-language, English right there, this side and this page. And lastly also a detailed manual right there. So we have the contents, this again, but with more details, also this, and then that's also interesting right there, all the specs, wiring, and more specs once again, and there we have it. And not to forget, you will also get this folding e-bike magnet, so that it will stay together when it's folded, and also the necessary tools. So let's put it all together. Should be simple, fast and straightforward. Saddle is always a quick and easy win. Okay, good stuff. Almost done. Wow, ADO got the mudguard situation sorted out. Installing them is so easy. Okay, there we go. Nice. Done with the unboxing and with the setup, and now let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. I love the ADO Air platform, and here we go with the new improved version. Comes with amazing hydraulic brakes in the front and in the back. I mean, check this out, amazing brakes. Also with the silent maintenance-free belt drive, super small form factor, powerful motor, it's amazing. And of course the torque sensor, not to forget the torque sensor. Suspension in the front, nice saddle, huge battery as well, especially for this small bike. Can't wait to test it, but first let's take a close look. Here we have the front wheel, mudguard, suspension, nice caliper, brake, reflector as well. Fully street legal, of course. Nice looking front light, branding on the top, and the frame Cross Your City. Lovely looking frame, nice carrying handle right there. Here, of course, with the torque sensor, pedals, back wheel with the kickstand straight out of the box. Actually, this was 90% straight out of the box. No setup needed. Everything was set up perfectly. Here with the back brake, nice air, branding right there. And not to forget, I also installed the magnet right here and also right here. I will do a folding test in a bit. Then of course right here, the saddle and the battery and the connector. This is a twist lock. Snaps in place nicely. Locking mechanism for the saddle. And yeah, the back mudguard. The mudguard concept is also looking really cool. Then of course the folding handlebar. Nice and soft, looking really cool, this wrap. Nice brakes. Bell, really cool bell. It has this like this encasing. The other brake, super adjustable. And lastly back here the motor and of course the awesome looking belt drive and the folding mechanism with the safety feature right there. The steering bar has a similar safety mechanism. Pull it up, then you can push it forward and then this will fold like that. Kickstand, pedals, and then the frame folding, and just like that, boom, it's folded up. As you can see, super compact form factor. The magnet is holding it together nicely and it's called Air for a reason. It is super light. Check this out, one hand, no problem. And unfolding it is of course also super easy and fast. Just like that, boom, kickstand and handlebar. And there we go. From small to super small in a few seconds and back to small. Not bad, right? So let's finally test it. So here we go. As you can see, I have already adjusted the saddle. It's a nice day today, so let's go for a ride. Press and hold to turn it on. Oh yeah, of course, we first of all need to activate the battery and now it will work. It will boot up and there we go. Gorgeous display. We have the pedal assist from 0 to 3. Pressing and holding the plus button will turn on and off the light. That's what it looks like. Let's turn it off again. And holding the minus will activate the walk assist mode to a speed of around 4 kph. And you also have smart navigation features built in. This is what it looks like. It's an amazing display, an amazing concept with the companion app. It's just amazing for navigation purposes. And now for the first test, let's see how easy it is to ride it without the pedal assist. With just the belt, it has a huge range, but what if? Just what if? So check this out. Even without the assist, pedaling is no problem. No assist whatsoever. And I can still comfortably cruise at 15 kph, 17, and now it's starting to get a little bit exhausting at around 18. So yeah, I'm ready for the assist. Stage 1. Yeah, and the assist, oh yeah, no effort, it will top out at around 20. On stage 2 it will top out at around 22, and at stage 3, level 3, pretty much effortlessly all the way up to 25 kph. Wow, brakes are amazing and it reacts so fast. Oh my god, the brakes are amazing. And the torque sensor, check this out, literally activates immediately and it's super powerful from 0 to 25 in 2 seconds. From 0 to 25. There we go. Alrighty then, let's switch it up. Also the front suspension is doing an amazing job absorbing all those shocks, and even a gravel road like this is no problem whatsoever. Check this out. Street glide, gravel glide, no problem at all. Well then, let's ride. Oh, the brakes are so good. Completely effortless. The ride feeling is amazing. Small form factor, but as you can see, it is still super stable. Free-handed riding, no issue whatsoever. It is amazing. I'm 180 centimeters and as you can see, my ride position is fairly upright. And oh my goodness, the torque sensor. Whew, the best. And the air concept is just looking really nice and refined. It's amazing. Riding small e-bikes can sometimes be a bit embarrassing, but definitely not with this one. It is so nice. I love it. Oh, check it out. Suspension is amazing. The whole bike is amazing. That's the best. The best. All right, there we go. The battery charge level is of course at the exact same level as we started. This didn't put a dent in it whatsoever. Massive range with this one, even though it's super small. This battery is powerful. So yeah, amazing brakes. As you heard, it's super silent because, well, there was nothing to hear. Amazing responsive brakes, and the ride feeling was amazing. Definitely a big thumbs up from my side. The 80OR was great, and this one is even better. They kept all the great new features and then added even more. Like I said, the newly added front fork suspension, so even rougher terrain, for example gravel roads, are a breeze to ride. As you saw, suspension is doing a great job. It is still super portable and easy to carry. The weight stayed almost the same, which is incredible. Also the riding feels great. It's super comfy, quick and agile, while still being very stable and also reliable. The torque sensors is one of the best out there. So smooth, so fast, so reactive, lightning fast response. It's crazy. It's literally instant. You will get an instant response, and it's super powerful too. It also packs a massive battery under the saddle, and thanks to that it offers a huge range of up to 100 kilometers, and especially compared to other bikes with a similar form factor, this one is on a whole other level. The battery is by Samsung, by the way, great quality. The build quality all in all is astounding, and aside from the newest tech, it also offers a really good looking IPS screen with a water resistant oleophobic coating, and also some really convenient built-in navigation features. So yeah, definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you, but before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it, and I will see you soon.